Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of React Native. So today we are going to learn about the how to use custom fonts or how to add custom fonts in React Native. Okay, so I haven't made this tutorial because this is very important. Like whether you start the project, you have to import such kind of custom fonts into your projects. So how we are going to add this in your Android project? So let's get started and see what exactly we have to do. And those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and please if you like the video, please do like this video. Okay, is if it is feasible to that you are able to import custom fonts into your Android project, right, or React Native. So today we are going to install this. Any fonts do you want from this one, you can install. So I have installed this font, Edwin want beginner. Okay, so here you need to select all these fonts, or you want to whatever font you want to add, you can add. Okay, so I have add all these styles and download the family or download all. Okay, depends upon to you. Now you have to download the family. After downloading the family, we have the we are getting the full-fledged folder over here. So here we can see that if you go with this one, and I have downloaded, they have a static folder, right? You need to copy all this and go to our folder. Here we go with the React video, that is Android app, source, main, assets, fonts, and here you need to put all that fonts, right? So I have added all the fonts here. After this, what you need to do is go to your app.js, write the code of the text, and you need to just install font family. This one, beginner, bold, or which one is beginner, medium, beginner, regular, semi bold. I need to copy this with semi bold, and let's see the reflection. Let me connect to the AnyDesk so it will be very much clarity on you. Give me a second. Let me connect with the AnyDesk. Okay, AnyDesk is ready. Connect, accept, start now. So here we go. So you can see that we have added the custom fonts here. Okay, so I have already copied one of the font here, this one, semi bold. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and add this here. Okay, this is bold. Okay, you will see that, and here you can see that this is like this text. Okay, if I'm going to save this one, save this, and now you can see that here, where is this, it's different one. Okay, let's make it regular. I have the regular one also, regular, this one. Basically it is this one. Okay, so copy this one, I'm going to add this one here. Okay, this is basically a regular font, and you can see that here, you can see that it's regular now. So this is how we can add the font family or add the custom font family into your React app. Okay, so any query, any issue in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a great day.